fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, welcome to another video. Welcome to Glory Family's channel. So today I am going to be showing you guys how I made this delicious Nigeria bole recipe with tilapia fish. Guys, after I did this recipe, after frying my tomato, I added some palm oil and oh my god, everything was like, it's so delicious, guys. I want you guys to try this out after watching this video. Try it out. Sorry, I'm speaking Dutch. Try it out and yeah, you will love it and you will thank me later if you do not bite your fingers, okay? So let's go right into this delicious recipe because there is no time. So first thing you want to do is to wash your tilapia fish, remove every unnecessary or everything you know you want to be needing, any dirty stuff. Wash it clean with lemon and wash it properly, okay? And pat it dry, like dry with either kitchen paper towel, like a tissue or kitchen tissue, or paper towel, like a cloth that you know that is clean enough for your food, okay? After cleaning it, then you move over to the next step. So this is my 2 tilapia fish I'm going to be using, okay? Let's go right into showing you around my recipe. So we have here my Maggi cube, my curry, my all-purpose seasoning, my ginger, my paprika pepper, and my nutmeg. That's all the things we're going to be using for the marinade, and some scotch bonnet pepper and onions. So I all those things are what I will be using for my marinades. Let's go right into it because I'm going to blend all this together with a little bit of olive oil or vegetable oil, whatever you like. We just do perfectly, okay? Let's go right into it. All those recipe you see can be done. You can get them as well in fresh. You can get fresh paprika, fresh ginger and garlic, you know, everything. You can get it fresh. And not forgetting, we also needed spring onion, but we didn't have that here. We just have only our onions, okay? So let's go right into the blending. So starting up with the blending process, I will mix in all my ingredients, my paprika, my curry, my onions, and my Maggi. I ended up using half of my Maggi cube, but I regretted it because I also had to add, because you know this fish wasn't pre-seasoned. I did not marinate it before, like marinate it with spice and leave it. And when you are marinating and want to do the fish instantly, you need more salt so it tastes better. But if you're going to marinate it till morning, then you don't need much salt because everything would have soaked in already. So we are done with the marinating. So after putting in everything, I will put in my olive oil, then I will blend. So this is what my marinade looks like after blending it, guys. I'm done, and I will just cut through the tilapia fish. I will cut through it. I will cut some fine line across it at the back side and at the front side. On both sides, I cut through and I put in my marinade generously. Put in a good amount of the marinade, okay? Because you want your fish to taste really good, okay? Don't be stingy with your marinade. Be generous with it. Spread it, spread it, spread it as much as you can, okay? Some people do use brush to do this process, but I prefer to use my hand so that I can get my hands into the corners and the places which I would want my marinade to get to. So guys, hope you see this. Make sure you do this and massage properly. Get the marinade everywhere as fast and as much as you can, okay? Keep watching. So since I did not marinate my fish overnight, I added extra salt to it because I saw that it definitely will not taste nice if I don't have much salt. But if you're going to marinate your fish or your meat overnight, make sure everything is moderate. Put the normal amount. But if you're marinating it and you want to use it immediately, just make sure you have enough salt on it. Okay, so keep watching as done. So I'm done marinating my fish. Everything is so nice, and oh my god, I can't wait to get it into the oven and eat. And then I seal it up with plastic and then leave it to sit while I prepare and put my plantain in my oven. Keep watching. So guys, this is my plantain. The only mistake I did with my plantain, I allow it to I bought like the overripe ones because that were the only one available. And yeah, if you're going to be doing this process, you need to get plantain that are also ripe so that it will come out nicely and it will be well cooked and roasted. Okay, so right now I'm putting it in the oven. I'm moving over to making my pepper sauce. So right now I'm going to be blending my tomato, my scotch bonnet pepper and my onions for my tomato pepper sauce that I will be dipping my fish in and my plantain while eating. So this is everything after I'm blending it, and I'll be frying it. First thing, I'll be frying my onions. I'm not going to be frying it much, but I'll just allow it to fry a little bit to get all the flavor in the oil. I love the smell of my onion and all of the flavor that it's put inside that oil. And then I'll start frying it. I would fry it. After putting everything in, I would leave it until all the water from the tomato, because you guys know if you want to do this without tomatoes is okay, but I would not be able to stand too much pepper, and that's why I just kept it this simple. I added tomatoes because I used to like so much pepper, but not anymore. And I'll put in 1 cube of Maggi, and yeah, then I will let it to dry, all the water to be well cooked and dry, and then it is ready. Then I will move over to my fish. I'll be putting it in the oven right now. I'm just using the brush to spread it properly, and then I'll put it in the oven because my plantain are ready. So right now I will just put my tilapia fish in the oven just like the plantain, and yeah, watch it cook. So guys, my plantain is ready. Guys, this tastes delicious. Oh my god, I don't know how to say this enough. Please do try out this recipe and tell me how it tastes, how you love it. Can you see the sauce? While it was cooking, I then added a palm oil to it. I added some palm oil because I was like, what is my plantain without palm oil? So I had to add some palm oil to it, you know. I love the taste of palm oil. I'm a palm oil lover, okay? So guys, try this recipe and tell me what you think. If you love this video, give it a big thumb up, share, like, and leave your comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one. And if you have not subscribed already, guys, please do subscribe. Join the family. Share out this video. It will help someone. Share it out. I'm begging you guys. Share on your Facebook, your IG, anywhere someone might find this useful. Okay, thank you so much, and God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye. Love you.